Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23 and I'll show you how to change screenshot format on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then scroll all the way down to the advanced features. Now just click here to the screenshot and screen recorder, and here you can see the screenshot format section. Click here and just we can select the another format of our device screenshots. We can change the PNG to the JPG to the PNG and PNG to the JPG. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.